Introducing Omolaramide, popularly referred to as the Life and Brand Strategist. She is the lead consultant and facilitator at Bridge Brands and PR, the intellectual property owner of Inner Essence Factory.
Hello, how are we doing today? My name is Omolaramide, and today I'd like us to talk about this thing called purpose and the motivation behind it. So a while ago, while I was working at an agency, I'll get pumped and excited about a particular project, but after a while, I don't get so excited about the project. And if I wasn't careful, I could easily enter this lethargic state of mind whereby it affects every other person, because I was the head of the accountability team. I was the one putting every other person on their toes to be able to do or deliver on their tasks. So my state of mind was very important to the project, to the success of the project then. So someone told me that you feel this way because you're not working in purpose. That if you were working in purpose, or you were doing something that is along the line of your calling, you will never feel low. You will always be pumped to work on the project. And fast forward a few years later, I realized that statement wasn't entirely true. Because even when you're working in purpose, it doesn't mean that sometimes you will not feel low. You will feel demotivated. The thing that purpose does for you is that it keeps you on track. It makes you pumped most of the time. And even feeling demotivated or looking for new challenges and new frontiers sometimes is good, is a plus for us. Remember, you're only as good as your last success. So sometimes it might be a nudge in the right direction that you need to do more, that there is more. The only plus in this case is that now you're able to set that new bar because you're working in purpose and you're working from a place of clarity. Purpose will drive you, and sometimes that's disinteresting feeling that you have is a push in the right direction. It's an indication that you need to move higher, or you need to do more, because now since you're working in purpose and you have clarity, you get to decide by yourself what the next challenge will be, and you're setting the pace for yourself. It makes you become a better person from who you were yesterday. See you in my next video. Thank you.
Thank you for listening. For more details on Inner Essence Factory, please visit www.omolaramide.com.